Hello guys. So now in this video we will understand about your cold hardiness. What is that? All those things we will clarify here. So suppose you take any organism, okay, or some other materials you take. Suppose some materials which is composed of liquid, okay, and you will keep it suppose below 0 degree centigrade, okay. Suppose this some temperature range is there, this is 0, and below this temperature you are keeping those materials, you can tell organism or some material along with liquid material, liquid matrix. Then what will happen to that? Definitely this liquid will become ice, yes or no? Suppose one organism is there, suppose you take insect only, and inside this insect hemolymph is there, yes or no? Hemolymph is there. So when you are keeping those insects under 0 degree centigrade, then what will happen? This hemolymph will solidify, yes or no? They will become your ice crystals, yes or no? Okay, so when they will become ice crystal, okay, then what will happen? These ice crystals will cause tissue damage to the insect, yes or no? Tissue damage will be there towards the insect, because now their whatever the muscles are there, they will get damaged, okay. So after that, even though the favorable temperature will come, that means the temperature will rise above 10 degrees centigrade, then also they cannot survive because they are already damaged. They will ultimately die. So what is cold hardiness? This is the ability of insects to withstand even low temperature, even below 0 degree centigrade. So what is the mechanism behind that? Okay, you see, in those insects which exhibit your cold hardiness, they contain some cryoprotective compound, okay, cryoprotective compounds, okay. What is that? For example, you see, some more examples are there. Polyols, and the one is your sugar materials, okay. Polyols, like example, is your glycerol, okay, and this is your sorbitol and erythritol, okay, erythritol. So these are the examples of cryoprotective compounds which are present in insect which exhibit cold hardiness. So what will happen? In the presence of these cryoprotective compounds, their liquid matrix, it may be their hemolymph or water content or whatever it may be, they won't get freezed. They won't become your ice crystal. Okay, that means they may not be doing anything. They may be under hibernation. Yes or no? They may be under hibernation. That means inactivity due to seasonal low temperature. Yes or no? They will suspend their activity. They won't do anything. Still, under onset of your favorable temperature, when the temperature will again rise, that means more than 10 degrees centigrade or more than 0 degrees centigrade also, at that time they can resume their activity. Normal temperature is what? 10 to 35. That means their tissue has not been damaged even below 0 degrees centigrade due to presence of those cryoprotective compounds. So now when the favorable temperature will come, again they will resume their activity. That is your cold hardiness. That means this is the ability of insect to withstand or to tolerate the low temperature even below 0 degrees centigrade due to presence of these cryoprotective compounds. Those are your glycerol, sorbitol and erythritol, which prevents the freezing of the body fluid, the freezing of the even the whole organism. They won't get freezed due to presence of these components, okay. And under onset of your favorable temperature, again they will resume their activity. This mechanism is known as your cold hardiness. I hope you understood. If any doubt is there, then you can ask.